Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So follow me, let me show you how our day went. So this is the environment where they raise animals. It's a very big compound, and this is the entrance. So there are a lot of animals here, and the compound is so neat. This is the section of goats, and those are horses, big horses. As you can see, the compound is very neat, and it was so sunny today. It was very sunny. This is my daughter. She's riding a car. So in this compound where they raise those animals, they also have children playing ground where the children can have their fun whenever they come to this place. This is my son trying to play with the goats, and this is the worker. She's taking the horses back to their session. So there are a lot of animals here. You can drop the name of the animals in the comment section. And my kids are trying to feed the animals. So they are taking back the goats to their session, to their department, and the pigs, cows. The cows, they are very big, as you can see. So they are taking them back to their session. It's a very big place. My children were so happy, enjoying themselves in the compound, and this is the playing ground. So neat. And my children, they are still catching fun. So they really played a lot today. They played a lot. So I took them out because the weather today was so hot, and you being indoor is not really nice. So we have to take the children out so that they can also feed themselves outside. And my little one is trying to swing down, and the big one as well. So yeah, they were playing with water. They were pouring themselves water. My daughter was soaked. Her dress was soaked. She came with a neat clothes, and she went back home with soaked clothes because she was so wet. So she loves it anyway because it was really sunny. As you can see, they were pouring themselves water. They were feeling themselves. This is me coming to push my daughter so that she can enjoy herself very well. So still pushing my daughter. So now we are done. We are going back home, and I asked my kids, did you enjoy today? And they said yes. They were so happy. Thanks for watching. Follow our page, subscribe